guys, look. May rice pala siya sa under. Yan ang foods ng Lola. Eat rice. Oh. Dito guys, walang kutsara. Tinidor at ganyan ang partner niya. Walang kutsara. Daming rice. Fried chicken. May rice. My God, di ko alam may rice pala. Under they have a lot of rice. Tomato again. I put the cream here. With the egg. Egg to. Okay.